birds of prey.
You know what that means?
Yeah, like vultures, eagles.
It's actually, they just have to be really religious.
And
What? Why do they call them birds of prey? Is that because they
eat other animals.
Are they preying a lot?
No.
No? What are you talking about?
Well, they eat other animals a lot.
So right before they eat the animals, they say a prayer? Oh, Heavenly Father, thank you for this animal that was hit by the side of the road. I'm going to eat it now. Is that what
Birds of prey are, other animals are prey to other animals.
Oh, they pray to them? That sounds funny. Why would
Eating.
Oh, so they prey on them like they're hunting them, huh?
Yeah.
What kind of animals are we talking about?
Birds that eat other animals.
What kind of bird?
We've got that.
Vultures, eagles.
Ooh, vultures are eagles too. I think we'll see one of those. Owls are birds of prey. What about hawks?
The ones that circle around.
Or a falcon. Ooh.
Yes, a falcon is.
The Alabama Wildlife Center. So supposedly they have a bunch of birds that have been rescued but cannot be returned to the wild. We're in the raptor wing. Who's in here?
Please be very quiet.
Oh, his wings hurt, it looks like. That's really cool. Thinks he wants to try. Cool. These little guys.
Is that a real one?
That's as wide as it goes. Yeah, you're about the width of a red-tailed hawk, give or take. They're about 4 feet. All right, Andy's turn. Peregrine falcon. That's one of my favorites. The ruby-throated hummingbird.
No.
Just kidding.
Turkey vulture.
I'm a turkey vulture.
Yep. Turkey vulture.
Oh man.
There we go.
Vulture, huh?
I've always thought of you more highly than a turkey vulture. Oh, let's crucify him on the board. Stretch his legs apart, his arms.
9. He's 9.
Yeah.
He's the peregrine falcon.
Awesome. Fun. All right, let's keep going. Let's go see the eagles. Okay, here we're now in the Freedom Flight enclosure. Oh, this is a bigger one, so they can fly around, it looks like. There they are. Look at all of them.
Do you see?
Bud.
There's more than 3 in there.
That's huge.
Look at you. Hey, bud.
That is huge.
He's about 1.5 feet from claw to peak of head, I bet. So the brown there is about 1 foot, I'm betting. Look at you.
Hi.
That's a pretty bird. All right, looks like there's an owl. That's it. Pretty. Ha. Okay, Treetop Nature Trail. Old boardwalk. Cool. What are we gonna see here? Oh, this will be fun. Okay, let's go check it out. Ooh. Oh my goodness, really? It's like a jungle gym, but not. This is really pretty cool. We got some owls. So all of these are...
These are unreleasable. You know, they've all had injuries where they can't be released into the wild.
Oh, okay. Huh, cool. Okay, here's a barred owl. There he is.
Let's see, guys.
Ha!
See what we can learn about this.
And this guy there. That's cool. Hey, vultures! Maybe I'm supposed to be quiet. Sorry. Hey, vultures!
The black vulture flaps its wings rather frequently while it soars. It is more social than the turkey vulture, traveling in large flocks.
Cool. Hey! Little stubby legs. Can you keep your legs going? There you go. Nice. That is called a hustle. All right, I got some little birds getting fed. Ooh, a dead rat. So how often do you guys have to feed them?
We feed them about once a day, every week, except we fast them on Thursdays.
Huh, cool. Fun. Okay, the albino
South America again.
turkey vulture. Albino. Jeez Louise. Albino turkey vulture. Cool.
There's a dead rat in there.
Yeah. So that one's the white one. I'm betting he's the albino. Are they both albino then?
No.
Okay, so the black one's the normal one, and she's the albino. Cool. Ha. Okay, a great horned owl. I think
Time started.
this is the owl from Winnie the Pooh.
Really? Hello.
Yep. His name was Owl. There's Piglet, there's...
Owl, but
Owl,
I don't
yeah.
know if it's a great one.
He looked just like him. Hey there, owl face. Oh my goodness, cool. A red-tailed hawk. There's one over here. Roosting, it looks like. I just saw an egg. That's exciting. And then we have another one up here. You guys are probably the prettiest, I think. Red-tailed hawks. Okay. Oh, nice show. Right when I move, I've been watching you the whole time. That is a beautiful animal. Pretty, pretty.
There's a trail, an actual dog trail.
Maybe I'll peek on our head here. Yeah, you see the bird? It's a hawk. Or are you saying ech? Yeah, there's bird poop on there. Yep, bird poop. Oh, yeah, there's a dead rat they picked at a little bit. Fun.
There's an actual trail right there.
Well, that was really cool. Okay, you guys are trying to switch now? So they have these digital cameras that they need to switch and share. And they're doing it. They figured out a timer. Every 5 minutes they switch. But anyway, so those are all absolutely awesome. But that very last one, they had those two red-tailed hawks, and one of them supposedly is laying on an egg. So that's kind of exciting. Hopefully, that's really what it is. Not like a golf ball or something. They just put it there.
Play.
You doing your own little video? You're silly. Hey, question for you. That red-tailed hawk, it looked like she was sitting on an egg. Oh. Oh, gotcha. Oh, cool. Well, that's awesome. Oh! She knows to ignore me. Should I include that video? Ooh.
What, you kicking my butt?
Yep.
When they want proof of
Spousal abuse.
yes.
We might leave that one out. All right, what do you guys think of
You
that?
don't abuse me. You treat me.
She just smacked my rear end. We're now even. I kicked her bum. She smacked my butt, so. I don't know, is that?
Adoring.
Adoring, there you go. Mutual spousal adoring. You got it, Jackson?
You can turn around.
That's another way to do it. Yeah, that's getting hot. Everyone buckled? All right, that was fun. What did you guys think? What was your favorite birds?
Raccoon.
The raccoon's not a bird. I didn't see a raccoon. There's no raccoons. What are you, Andy?
Black vulture.
The black vulture?
No.
The
The
albino?
white one and the
Oh.
normal.
Okay, I like that. How about you guys?
I don't know.
All right, well, that was fun.
Probably the one.
Time to go eat lunch. Say goodbye.
Yeah.